Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming for the week of October 1st to the 7th in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner. Now I do have to apologize for you guys right at the start. I totally did not film me going through the kit with you guys. So usually how I plan is I take the kit, I film me going through the pages, and then I take elements of that kit and I use it in my traveler's notebook, and I use that for the same week. So this week would have been done already, and because I'm doing a rewind spreads in my Erin Condren, so I've already used these stickers in my TN as well. So I totally forgot to film that. I'm very sorry for you guys, but I am using this kit. It's called Woodland Friends. It's in my shop, and it's got very, very cute characters and leaves and the very woodland looking clip art. So I hope you guys are okay with the fact that I didn't have it, but what I started doing is I took the bottom washi, I cut it in half, and I put it at the very bottom, and then I took some Simply Gilded washi and I layered it for the bottom washi. Now I'm just going in and taking one of the full boxes for my quote box, and I'm putting in all the other full boxes. I wanted to do like a pattern thing with, there's a bunch of different characters, but there's also a few boxes that just kind of have like a little bit of art on there where they're more like boxed out. There's not like a close-up of a character. So I wanted to stagger those. So it would be like character and then a box, character in a box, that kind of thing. And I also wanted to stagger the glitter headers like I have been doing for my last few weeks. So I'm going to go in and do this all super quick, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so now we have all of our full boxes and our glitter headers down, and I just went in and put some flags on the top corners from the kit. Then I'm taking the date covers, and I used my date squares from my shop, like I always do, just to layer them on top, and I put them over the date covers. Now I did white out the ones on the Erin Condren because they were really dark, and these date covers are pretty light, and I knew it was going to show through. So I whited those out. Now I'm moving on to my sidebar. I'm going to start with putting some Simply Gilded washi after the full box and a half box from the kit. And this is just where I put the highlight for my week. And then I'm going to put some more washi tape underneath that. I think these brown color is just like so cute with this kit. I used it a ton and I really, really like it. Now I'm putting in a dinner's header from the kit as well as a weekly sidebar sticker. And I'm just going to go in and put in all my dinners as soon as I am done with the sidebar. I put a next week and a 3-heart checklist. I, again, don't know what to put in here, so I'm just putting these down. I never fill them in because I really don't know what to do. Then at the very bottom, I'm putting a piece of the solid orange washi from the kit. So now you'll see me just go in and fill in all the dinners that we had for the week. I've been getting a lot better at actually writing down what we had every day because I used to not, and so I have a lot of blank dinner sidebar stickers. Okay, so starting on Monday, I took an appointment label from the kit and I layered that with a music note icon from the shop. These are new, they just came to the shop on Friday, and I really like them. I think they're so cute. And I used that to mark my daughter's piano for the morning. Then I took a piece of Simply Gilded washi to separate the piano lesson as well as my husband's dentist appointment for the morning. I originally just take the sticker and I knew I needed to separate it because they were both orange, and I couldn't find any colors that matched perfectly from that sheet other than the orange, so I just took some of this heart vine washi, and I think it turned out super good. So I just marked my husband's dentist appointment for the morning. Then I took a film icon to mark that I filmed and edited my video for the week. For the bottom half, I took a laptop and work script sticker from my shop to mark that I did a lot of printing and cutting. I took a car icon actually, to mark that I had to go drop off some Norwex for a customer. And then I took a quarter box from the kit to mark that I went to visit my mom and dad. And I wanted to separate that car and the quarter box, so I took a piece of washi from the kit to do that. I did try a bunch of different washi and different things, but I just couldn't find anything that fit perfectly, so this skinny piece of washi fit great. For Tuesday, I started with a preschool sticker, and I always mark this because we have to drive one kid to school, pick him up at lunch, bring my daughter to school after lunch, pick her up at 3:30. So it's a lot of running around. It's a big part of my day, so I like to mark it. I took a car icon to mark that I went to Staples in the morning. And I took a half box and I layered it with a little design guy. He's from Miso Co, and he's so cute. I've been loving putting him down for my designing days. Then I took a piece of washi from the kit and I layered that with an eat out sticker to mark that we ate out for lunch that day. And then I have a hair appointment sticker from my shop to mark that my husband had his hair appointment in the evening, sorry. And then I took a half box from the kit and a TV icon to mark that I watched Scandal. I started watching the series like a while ago, but if you've seen it before, you know it can get pretty intense in some spots. And there was just one spot that I was stuck at that I just couldn't keep watching anymore. So I started going back to it, and now it's really good, and I'm so hooked again. For Wednesday, I took another half box with another one of those Miso Co dogs to mark that I did some more designing. Then I took a laptop and work script sticker to mark that I did some printing and cutting. I also took a computer icon from the kit to mark that I ordered envelopes for the shop. For the evening, we had such a fun evening. I was not sure on how I want to mark it fully, so I took a movie marquee to mark that my friend came over and we watched Beauty and the Beast. We watched it while we were puzzling and drinking wine. It was so much fun. So I took a wine time sticker and I just kind of took some washi to separate those. And I put the wine time sticker down and then I wrote "and puzzle." And I think it turned out really cute. So we're going to move on to the second half of the week now. So starting on Thursday, I took another preschool sticker and put that down. Then I took the laptop or the computer icon from the kit and marked that I got all my listings done for the new releases that day. I took an eye appointment sticker to mark that I had an eye appointment that morning, and some washi to separate. I'm super excited because I got to try on some glasses today, and I'm very excited for them to come in. I had to get 2 pairs, one like an office pair and then one like an everyday pair. So I got to pick like a really fun looking bright pink pair for my office because it doesn't matter if it doesn't go with every outfit because it's just for the office. So I had a lot of fun doing that. So I took a quarter box from the kit and a grocery shopping sticker from my shop to mark that I went grocery shopping. Then I took this really cute bathtub sticker from Busy Lizzie Plans, and it was on one of her samplers. We did a shop swap, and she included that one for me, and it's so cute. I love it. Then I put a quarter box and a plan sticker from the kit to mark that I did some back planning that day. I am almost caught up. I have like 2 or 3 weeks left. I'm so proud. So for Friday, I took some arrows to mark that the PGU sale started that day. And guys, thank you so much to everybody that ordered. I was overwhelmed with the response, and I want to thank you guys all so much. Then I took a playground sticker from my shop to mark we went to the indoor park that day, and a camera icon to mark that I edited my video. Then I took the movie marquee from the add-on sheet to mark that me and my husband watched the movie Tag. Man, that movie is so funny. I really liked it. Then I took another laptop and work script sticker to mark working that day, and a money icon to mark that I went to the bank. For Saturday, I took these meal icons that are new from my shop. These meal icons are actually not the correct size they are going to be in the shop. These are the ones that I print, tested, and cut, and they are really big, so I did make them smaller for the ones that you actually will buy, but I really want to use them up still because I didn't want to waste them. So I took one to mark that I went for breakfast with my mom and dad. Then I took some washi tape and another laptop and work script sticker to mark that I print and cut. Then I added a full box and a house icon from the kit to mark that I went to my Thanksgiving gathering that day. And then another piece of washi. This is like the mustard color, and I'm not 100% sure if it goes with the kit, but I thought it was pretty close that I just left it. Then from Otter Prints Co, I took one of these TV icons from a sampler sheet that I had to mark that I watched some more Scandal. For Sunday, I took a church sticker from my shop, and then I took a half box sticker and I layered that with Kaelis Paperie little girl for baking, and I just used that to mark that I made pecan pie and pumpkin cheesecake that day. And then to separate all of that, I took some of that more of that heart bind washi. For the second half of the day, I took another half box sticker and another one of those meal icon stickers to mark that I had another Thanksgiving gathering that day. And then the last thing I did on Sunday was take a TV icon to mark that I watched a ton of YouTube. So this is my spread for the week. I'm just going to go in and fill out my highlight for the week, which was my Thanksgiving gatherings. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this spread. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you have down below. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!